In this Viber tutorial for beginners, we are going to learn how to send photos on Viber quickly and easily. We will cover how to share images from your gallery, how to take a photo directly in the app, and the secret trick to send photos in original quality without any compression. Sharing visual memories is one of the best parts of using a messaging app, whether it is a photo of your lunch, a family gathering, or a screenshot of a funny meme. You want to get that image to your friends instantly. Viber makes this incredibly simple, but there are actually a few different ways to do it depending on what you need. I'm your host, and in this guide, we are going to explore the full photo sharing capability of Viber. We will walk through the standard method of selecting pictures from your phone's gallery and sending them in bulk. We will also look at the built-in camera feature for instant snapshots. Most importantly, I will show you the hidden method to send uncompressed photos as files, which is perfect when you need to print them or edit them later without losing quality. By the end of this video, you will be sharing your world with confidence. To follow along, you simply need your smartphone with the Viber app installed and an active internet connection. You also need to make sure that you have granted Viber permission to access your phone's photo gallery. If you haven't done this yet, the app will prompt you the first time you try to send a picture, and you just need to tap Allow or Allow access to all photos. Let's start with the most common way to share, which is sending photos that are already saved on your phone. First, open the Viber app and tap on the chat conversation where you want to send the image. Look at the bottom of the screen, right below the text input field. You will see a small icon that looks like a landscape or a mountain. This is the gallery icon. Go ahead and tap that icon. A bottom panel will slide up, showing you your recent photos and videos. The first picture is the camera view, so if you want to send a picture that you took, just tap on that. You can tap the circle to take a photo or hold it to record a video. Once you capture the moment, you can even add stickers, text, or doodles before hitting the blue button to send it. After that, we can tap again on the icon for the gallery. You can scroll through this horizontal strip to find what you want or tap the All Photos button to see your full gallery. You can tap on a single photo to select it, or you can tap on multiple photos one by one to send a whole batch at once. Once you have selected your images, look for the purple Send button, the paper airplane, on the right side and tap it. Your photos will be compressed slightly for speed and sent instantly. Finally, here is the pro trick for sending high-quality photos. If you send a photo using the normal method, Viber shrinks it to save data. If you want to send the full original file, do not click the gallery icon. Instead, tap the three dots or the plus sign in the menu bar and look for the option that says File or Send File. This will open your file manager. Navigate to your gallery from here, select the photo, and send it. It will arrive as a document file, retaining 100% of its original resolution and clarity. Before you hit send on a standard photo, notice that there is a small pencil icon or an edit button. If you tap this, you can crop the photo, rotate it, or add funny filters and masks. It's a great way to make your messages more personal. Also, be mindful of your data usage. Sending 1 or 2 photos is fine, but if you're sending 20 high-resolution photos using the file method while on mobile data, it can eat up your data plan quickly. It's usually best to send large batches when you are connected to Wi-Fi. What if your photos aren't sending? The most common issue is a weak internet connection. If the photo has a small clock icon on it that never turns into a checkmark, try toggling your Wi-Fi off and on again to force it to send. If you tap the gallery icon and see a blank screen or an error message saying no access, this means you denied permissions in the past. You need to go to your phone's main settings, find Viber in the app list, tap on Photos, and change the setting to Read and Write or Full Access. So, we've reached the end of our guide. We've learned how to send photos on Viber using the standard gallery picker and the built-in camera. We also covered the essential trick of sending images as files to preserve their original quality. Now you have all the tools you need to share your visual moments with friends and family perfectly. I truly hope this fiber guide was helpful for you. If it was, please give this video a like. It helps the channel a lot. And if you're interested in more tutorials on messaging apps and smartphone tips, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, do you usually edit your photos with stickers and text before sending them, or do you prefer to send them raw and natural? I'm curious to know your style. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.